Hello, my name is Stephen Cartwright and I'm the Chief Executive Officer of the New South Wales Business Chamber. As we all know, July 1 marks the start of the carbon tax right across Australia. During this time of change, we are keen to hear your carbon tax story and how it will impact on your business. There is no doubt that the carbon tax will increase the cost of doing business in Australia. The carbon tax will push up the cost of electricity and increase the price of goods and services used by Australian businesses. It has been designed to do just this. We are already facing a difficult business environment, and on top of this, the majority of business operators will receive no compensation for this new tax. Our customers are reluctant to spend. The Australian dollar is making life difficult for our manufacturers, our exporters and our tourism operators. And the mining boom is pushing up wages and making it harder to find skilled staff. On top of these challenges, the federal government is now adding the world's biggest carbon tax at $23 per tonne, and far higher than the $9 per tonne in Europe or the $5 per tonne that's being paid by businesses in New Zealand. For a few sectors of the business community, the carbon tax will be a lucrative opportunity, but for the majority it will be another cost, another burden on your business. That's why the New South Wales Business Chamber has been a staunch opponent of the federal government's go-it-alone approach to introducing a carbon tax. This is a global problem that requires a global solution. As long as the world's largest carbon emitters, such as China and the United States, refuse to be party to a global agreement to reduce emissions, anything Australia does will have no discernible benefit. It merely places our economy in a weaker position. We need to remind the federal government that this is the wrong time to place another burden on business, especially when it will not achieve any overall reduction in global carbon levels. As the debate continues in the lead up to the next federal election, the New South Wales Business Chamber will provide any assistance it can to help reduce the burden of this tax on your business. Our carbon tax web portal will provide tips and advice on how to keep costs down, plus the latest news, events and information seminars. When you visit the site, please help support our campaign by sharing your carbon tax story.